Aloha Azteca friends. So here I am, guys. This is the hot spring. And oh my God, guys, the water is super hot. It's about 100 degrees. So then you get in here for 5-10 minutes and then you go out to where the water is super cold. So it feels really good, guys. And remember, guys, that today's the last day of summer. So let's really enjoy it. Let's really have an amazing time, guys. And look how beautiful the day is today.
Yep. Still 100 degrees. 100.
It's super beautiful. A lot of people are asking if the water's really hot. Yes, guys, the water's really, really hot. It's 100 degrees. So just here having an amazing